Hi guys, if you're investing in anti-aging skincare and still wondering, am I doing it right? You are not alone. Today I'm breaking down how to layer anti-aging products step by step so you know exactly what goes first, what to avoid mixing, and how to make the most of your skincare routine. So let's get into it. Always begin with a clean canvas. It's the foundation of every effective skincare routine. Use a gentle cleanser based on your skin type, whether that's a gel-based, foaming cleanser or a cream formula. If you're wearing makeup or sunscreen, consider double cleansing to make sure your skin is completely free of residue, because a clean skin allows for better absorption of all the goodness that follows. Now, if you have oily, acne-prone, sensitive skin, I highly recommend these two cleansers. Number 1, Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It removes dirt and impurities effectively without stripping your skin barrier. Super gentle and perfect for daily use. The other one is Neutrogena Gentle Cleanser. If for some reason you can't get your hands on the Cetaphil one, this one from Neutrogena is an excellent alternative. It's non-drying, non-irritating, and does a great job of cleansing without leaving your skin feeling tight or overworked. Step 2, Toner or Essence. While it's not always mandatory, I personally recommend using a hydrating toner or an essence, especially if you're working with strong actives. Not only does it prep your skin and help balance pH, but it also adds a light layer of moisture that makes your skin feel instantly refreshed and plump. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or panthenol. These humectants help with better absorption of the next steps and keep your skin from feeling tight or dry. Now, if you feel layering a toner and then later a moisturizer feels too heavy on your skin, especially in humid weather, try the 7 skin method. It's where you apply 7 thin layers of the same hydrating toner, one after the other, and then skip the moisturizer altogether. It leaves your skin intensely hydrated but still light and breathable. Step 3, Targeted treatments. Now this is where your anti-aging serums come in, and order matters. Thinnest to thickest consistency is the golden rule. If you're using multiple actives, alternate days or use one in the AM or one in the PM. And to better understand this, let's look at some of the actives. Vitamin C or melasil based serums. These brighten the skin, protect against free radicals, and help fade pigmentation over time. Always apply these before your moisturizer. Now if you're on a budget, L'Oreal's Melasil Glycolic Bright Serum is a fantastic option. It brightens and gently exfoliates in one go. If you're open to investing a little more, I highly recommend try the Banish Vitamin C, E, and Ferulic Acid Serum. It's deeply hydrating, gives an instant glow, but does feel slightly heavy, so I prefer using it at night. Another great option I tried recently is the Clinique Moisture Surge Active Glow Serum. It comes with vitamin C, lactic acid, and hyaluronic acid. It's brightening and hydrating with the benefits of gentle exfoliation. You can try this as well. Another budget alternative is the Ordinary Ascorbyl Glucoside Solution 12%. It's great for evening out skin tone and providing antioxidant protection. Now let's look at retinol or retinoids. These are collagen boosters that help with fine lines, wrinkles, and overall skin texture. Use them only at night. Start slowly, especially if you're new. You can try the CeraVe encapsulated retinol. It's beginner friendly and gentle. Also, the Ordinary's retinol in squalene 0.2% or 0.5% is another great pick. Just be cautious if your skin reacts to squalene. If you prefer something plant-based, Good Molecules Bakuchiol Oil Blend is an excellent retinol alternative, especially for oily or sensitive skin. Let's move on to peptides. Now, peptides help repair and firm the skin and are generally safe to use with most other ingredients. The Ordinary GF 15% solution is a bestseller for a reason. It's calming, soothing, and packed with growth factors to fight early signs of aging. I've done a detailed video on this. Check the link in the cards. Another fantastic formula is the CosRx Snail Mucin. It's intensely moisturizing, super hydrating, and amazing for barrier support. Next up is niacinamide, a multitasker that brightens dull skin, evens out tone, and strengthens the skin barrier. It pairs beautifully with peptides and antioxidants. The Ordinary 10% niacinamide plus zinc is a cult favorite for a reason. If you haven't tried it yet, you must. You can also look for serums that combine niacinamide with other actives if you prefer a more streamlined routine. Now, the most important part when considering actives, how to layer them effectively. Avoid using retinol with exfoliating acids or vitamin C in the same routine unless your skin is already used to them. These are all strong ingredients and can easily overwhelm your skin, leading to irritation or breakouts. If you're just starting out, I would recommend to use these actives on alternate days. Give your skin some time to adjust before layering them on the same day. And once your skin builds tolerance, you can use them at different times. For example, vitamin C in the morning and retinol at night. Step 4, eye creams. If you wish to use eye creams, studies say this is where they come in. Apply your eye cream after serums but before moisturizer. Pat gently using your ring finger. This area is delicate. Let's look for peptides. You can try the Eyes Baby from Fleur & Bee. Great option looking for anti-aging benefits. Another ingredient you can look for is caffeine, which works great to reduce puffiness. You can try the L'Oreal Under Eye Hyaluronic Acid Serum with caffeine. Next is step 5, moisturizer. Now it's time to seal everything in with a good moisturizer. I highly recommend choose the one that's based on your skin type and the climate you're in. If you have oily, sensitive skin, go for a light gel formulation. You should try the Vichy's Phyto Solution Double Correction Moisturizer if you have oily, sensitive and acne-prone skin. If you have dry skin, go for a richer formula. Like you can try the Cetaphil Face and Body Moisturizer Hydrating Moisturizing Lotion for all skin types, suitable for sensitive skin too. I've used it in the past when I lived in dry weather and it makes a great hydrating moisturizer. Ceramides. Besides looking for the skin types, another ingredient that works beautifully while choosing a moisturizer. If you're using strong actives like retinol and use them at night, try these 2 ceramide-based moisturizers. They lock in hydration and prevents transepidermal water loss. Step 6, sunscreens. Sunscreen is your #1 anti-aging product. Do not skip it. Use an SPF of 30 or higher every single day, even if you're staying indoors. UV rays can still reach your skin through windows or screens. Vitamin C in the morning, sunscreen during the day is the ultimate combo for targeting pigmentation, preventing premature aging and keeping your skin protected. Here are a few of my favorite sunscreens that work beautifully on sensitive, oily, acne-prone skin. Numbers in: #1, SPF 50+, PA+++++. It's lightweight, non-sticky and hydrating, perfect for daily wear without feeling heavy. Eucerin Broad Spectrum Tinted Sunscreen SPF 50+. A great option if you want a bit of coverage. It's lightweight and non-greasy. Tokobo Bio Watery Sun Cream SPF 50+, PA++++. A gel-based formula that's super lightweight with high protection. Great for oily skin, especially in humid climates. A few bonus tips: introduce active slowly, especially retinol. Start once or 2 times a week and build up. Listen to your skin. If it's dry or irritated, simplify your routine. Nighttime is the best for ingredients that repair, while morning is great for protection. It's like antioxidants, sun protection. Give each layer a few seconds to absorb before applying the next. So that's your step-by-step guide to layering anti-aging skincare the right way. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more skincare tips. Drop your current routine and any questions. I would love to help. And that is all for today's video. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.